Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we are back with a Scratch tutorial how to make a shooter game in Scratch. So before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe it and click on the bell notification icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. So let's start. So today the game that we are going to make is looking like this. So let's start and see how it works. So the spaceships come, we have to shoot them and we have to protect our earth from them. So if they touch our earth, then we lose the game. Let's see. Yes, we lose the game. Okay, so before wasting any time, let's see how to make it. I will make a new. Okay. So now first we have to delete the sprite. Choose a sprite which will be a ball. Set this ball size to 50%. Go in costumes and draw something like a spaceship. So I am drawing it like this, then like this, then like this, and okay. Go in the filler and choose a gray color. So now go in the rectangle and choose a red color and make it like this. Now choose the color as blue and draw a rectangle over here like this. So now we will see when flag is clicked forever, if key right arrow is pressed, duplicate it. If key left arrow is pressed, go into motion. If key right arrow is pressed, turn like that 5 degrees. And if key left arrow is pressed, turn like that 5 degrees. Now duplicate it. Now, if key up arrow is pressed, if key down arrow is pressed, remove this, turn left, right. If key up arrow is pressed, move forward 5 steps, and if key down arrow is pressed, move minus 5 steps. So now let's see if it's moving. Yes, it's moving. And now we want something that it can shoot. So now when flag is clicked, go to this position and point in direction 90. So now let's paint another sprite, and in this sprite we will make a very small rectangle which will act as a bullet. Set its size to 50. Okay. So now when flag is clicked, then hide forever if key space is pressed, then go to ball, point in direction, go into sensing, and here comes a tricky stage. So there is written backdrop of stage. So when you will click this backdrop, you will not see anything like direction or sprite 1. So you have to click on the stage and choose ball and then choose direction of ball. So point in direction of ball, then create clone of myself and then wait 0.1 seconds. So now when I start as a clone, repeat until touching edge, move 10 steps and then at the end of it, delete this clone. So when I start as a clone, first show, then repeat until touching edge, move 10 steps and then delete this clone. So let's see it's shooting bullets. So let's choose a nice backdrop for it. I will go in space and I will choose this nebula. So now when we start this game, it's looking that we are fighting in the space. So now we want some enemies to come and so that we can kill them. Now paint another sprite. The fill should be none and the fill should be red and the outline should be 0. So now center it, draw 2 wings for it, center this 2 and then draw something like this. Select this thing, bring this a bit down. Okay, so now convert it to bitmap and draw a line like this over here. So now take the fill and fill this rectangular thing which we draw. So now choose a rectangle. The fill should be blue and make it like this. Okay, so set the size to 50%. So now we will say when flag is clicked, forever uh, go to X 250 and Y pick random from 170 to -170. Then show. So when flag is clicked, we will say that hide, show here, no, not show here, create clone of myself and then wait 2 seconds. So now when I start as a clone, show, repeat until touching. Okay, so now we will choose a sprite which will be earth. We will place this earth over here and we will say when I start as a clone, repeat until touching earth, glide 1 second, no, glide 10 seconds to earth. Then wait 1 second and then delete this clone. So now if we see, it is coming from here and then it is going towards Earth, so that it's looking like it is landing on Earth and it wants to destroy Earth. So what we will do is, when I start as a clone, forever if touching sprite 1, which is the bullet, delete this clone. So now if we play the game and shoot bullets at it, it's 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 deleting, means it's bursting. So we will paint another sprite. We will just copy this and in the sprite which we want to paint, paste it over here. So now instead of making it red, let's make it green or yellow. Okay. So now fill it, convert it to bitmap, fill it, and we are done. Set its size to 50%, just like we did in sprite 2, and just drag these things and put it in this sprite. Oops. So put it in this sprite. So drag it and put it in this sprite. It's not doing properly. Let's paint another sprite. Okay. So now what we have to do is go in this and put this thing we will place this spaceship over here. Yes, done. So now we will drag in and drop it in this spaceship. So now when we will come in this spaceship, it is already there. We will drag this also over this. Okay. And we will drag this also over here. So now if we play the game, then there are two spaceships coming and we can kill them with using our bullets. But if those spaceships touch the earth, then the game should stop. So we will say that when flag is clicked, forever if touching, if we will take an or statement, if touching sprite 3 or if touching sprite 3 or touching sprite 2, then say oops, then exclamation mark, oops, you lose for 2 seconds and then stop all. So now if we play the game, and if these spaceships touch the earth, then we are losing. and the game stops over here. So our game is done and let's stop the video here. If you like the video, then like, comment and share this video and subscribe our channel.